Nah. I know. I don't know what to think. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
He's wanting your hair.
What do you want? What do you want?
He wants that bun on the back of your head.
You're fixing to break your leg. You're fixing to break your leg. Here. Now, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You're not going to keep biting on me. That's going to be a bad habit. What do you want? Oh. You are so goofy. I think you're spoiled. I think you're now spoiled. You're to the spoiled part. Get you. Get you. Get you. Get you. Oh wait, you're on my foot. You're on my foot. Can't move my foot. Is he not a hoot?
Mm-hmm.
What? 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 What do you want? Is he not a hoot?
Mm-hmm.
Watch him, Caitlin. Watch. Hang on. Watch. Watch him. Hey, come here. Show Caitlin what you was doing.
Biting away.
No, we're scratching each other. That's how they scratch. Because I'll scratch him. He'll scratch me.
Hell, KO.
Oh, my little boy.
My little pony.
Yeah, dude. That's what he wants is my hair because I'm biting his hair. Or I'm scratching his hair. Don't do his flanks.